Welcome to Commercial Drive, one of the trendiest neighborhoods in Vancouver. You're steps away from the best coffee, food, and culture in the city, but tucked into a home that still feels private and calm. And I've got a brand new listing to show you.
And here is your private 360-degree view, rooftop deck. You got unobstructed views of the North Shore Mountains, the downtown skyline, and the most amazing sunsets. You have it all right here.
This is a 3-bed, 3-bath townhome spread across 5 levels, capped off with a rooftop deck and some seriously great views. The main living level is where everything comes together, with an open kitchen and living space that's perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Below that, there's a full basement level and its own bathroom, offering even more flexibility and privacy. The layout is designed for privacy. The primary bedroom sits on its own level with an ensuite, completely separate from the rest of the home. On another floor, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom, ideal for family, guests, or a home office setup.
If you want to take a look at this property,
Give us a call.